Are your nights secretly making you older? Today, we're digging into 7 common habits that do exactly that.
You might think you're resting, but some habits are actually speeding up the clock. Let's see what they are.
We're going to cover diet, your environment, and more, all things that mess with your health while you sleep.
Okay, first up, your diet. What you eat right before bed matters a lot. That late-night sugar or carb fix, it's hitting the brakes in your body's entire nightly repair cycle. See, sugar literally shuts down this crucial hormone, basically canceling out all your hard work at the gym. And that roller coaster, it wrecks your sleep, leaving you groggy and craving more sugar. It's a vicious cycle.
Next up, another food problem, fried stuff and anything cooked in seed oils. They're super inflammatory. So these oils don't just mess with sleep. They leave you waking up feeling stiff, sore, and inflamed.
All right, let's switch gears to your environment. You'd be surprised how much simple light can sabotage you.
Using your phone or even having bright lights on before bed, it shuts down a really important sleep hormone.
And that hormone is melatonin. Protecting it is key, not just for sleep, but for detoxing your body.
And get this, it only takes 8 lux of light to start suppressing your melatonin. That's almost nothing.
To put that in perspective, your phone screen is about 30 lux, way more than enough to disrupt sleep.
And what's worse, keeping that phone by your head, it's emitting electromagnetic fields all night long.
Now let's talk about a couple of common sleep aids that are actually destroying your sleep quality.
Sure, alcohol might make you feel sleepy, but it blocks the deep, restorative sleep your body desperately needs.
Instead of repairing itself, your body's just working overtime to process poison. That is absolutely not rest.
And it's the same story with sleeping pills. They just sedate you. That's not real biological sleep.
So you wake up feeling foggy, not refreshed. Plus, your body just gets used to them over time.
But you know, the biggest mistake of all is something so many of us do for the sake of productivity.
The last habit is the most obvious, just not getting enough sleep. Your body needs that 7.5 to 8 hours. Because getting less than 6 hours a night, that can cause a staggering 70% drop in your immune cells.
This isn't a small thing. It seriously increases your risk for major health issues. Sleep is not a luxury. So, by ditching these habits, you're not just sleeping better, you're literally investing in your future health.